It needs to be out of that right there. Which way do you want me to do it? Right here?
Yeah, right in the middle.
And push up. That's
Nice, that's great.
We have that turn thing.
Oh, we're looking for that stick.
But we have
finally
to,
found it. Bam.
Now that
This
thing
is a cordless.
for what?
So we have to pull it up, pull it down,
Just to hold the bottom
like
in.
that, and close.
Oh,
You know what the
We
balance is?
seem to be, we
no,
missed
no,
this
this
too.
is the
We need to
inside
do it
mount,
again.
I consider.
We missed
Right,
this
I
one
forgot.
too. We
I'm
missed
thinking
this. Oh, we
those
forgot that one too.
Go.
Oh,
Yes, we need those.
oh, so then we have to uninstall it.
Why?
Good job.
That,
Just a bit. Yeah.
like that,
Push down.
like that.
Yep. Move it back. Move it back towards the control.
Does this have? Give me.
Wait a minute.
I don't think I'm centered. Are you? Just press straight in. Like
Wait a
that.
minute. Let me see it. Let's put the bottom.